In today's cloud-driven world, containers are everywhere and Kubernetes is the tool that manages them. It helps run packaged applications reliably, no matter where they're deployed. But how do those applications get there in the first place? That's where Jenkins comes in. Jenkins automates the entire software delivery process, from building and testing to deployment. When you combine Jenkins and Kubernetes, you get a powerful system. Jenkins handles the workflow while Kubernetes runs the applications. This combo is especially useful for companies that work with both old and new systems. For example, banks often use Jenkins to update legacy software, while Kubernetes manages their modern, cloud-native apps. Jenkins takes care of everything: testing legacy code, deploying containerized apps, and even running security checks. Kubernetes ensures those apps scale and stay healthy. Together, they solve a big challenge: bridging the gap between traditional infrastructure and modern cloud systems. For businesses, this means faster releases, fewer errors, and big cost savings. And for you, learning Jenkins and Kubernetes makes you a huge asset in today's tech job market.